Hello YouTube. Today we're going to do a little bit of related rates review. Just some basic concepts, one problem, and just to get an idea of what you'll see on the AP test for related rates. So here's a problem that you're given. Y equals ln of 4x plus 3, and you know that the rate of the y coordinate at that time is 12, which would be units per second or units per whatever. Remember, that's a rate, and it's saying that happens at the y-intercept. And then it's asking you to find the rate of the x at also the same point of the y-intercept. So the graph isn't given, but I kind of just drew it anyway. So you need to figure out what the y-intercept is, and when you do that, you set the x-coordinate equal to 0. So if you plug in 0 for x, then you'll get ln of 3 to be your y-intercept. So that'll be ln 3, and that's of course is 0. So now we're going to have to tackle the problem and figure out what they are looking for here. So what I usually do and what I've learned is something called want, know, relate. Okay? So what do we want to find? Well, we want to find dx over dt at the y-intercept, right? And then we know that the rate of the y is 12. So what do we have to relate? Well, we're given this equation or this function. So what we have to do when it means relate, we're going to actually take the derivative of this function here. So y prime, so the derivative would be 1 over 4x plus 3. Now remember chain rule, so it would be times 4, right? Because derivative of 4x plus 3 would be 4. So that's how you get that. So what we just did there was differentiate, so that's what it was, want, know, relate, then you differentiate. So what do we know about differentiating? Well, we know that the slope, or dy over dx, if you go back to parametric, it would be dy over dt over dx over dt, right? So we have our dy dx, this is our dy dx, right? That's the slope. Now what do we also know? Oh, look at that. That's dy dt. And look, this is exactly what we're looking for, right? So by plugging in what we already know, we will get, so here's where we are. This is, remember, dy dx. And then we have dy over dt, and this is dx over dt, and we're looking for dx over dt. But what else do we know? We know that at the y-intercept over here, right, what's true? We know that x equals 0 at that point, right? Well, look at that. We have an x over here. So make x equals 0 here, and plug that in. And you get 12 over dx over dt equals 4/3, which means dx over dt will equal 9. And that is our answer. So that was just a quick review on related rates. Hope it helped, and good luck on the AP test.